Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. Today we are taking a look at Tire Express from GYEON, which is their new tire dressing, but today we are taking a look at it on a plastic bumper piece to see how good it will work on it. So it's a very easy to apply product. Normally you just apply it and let it rest for about 15 minutes and you're good to go. So that's pretty easy to do. It will leave a satin finish to it, so that's also pretty positive for people that like a satin look. It's applicable wet and dry, so it's very easy to apply during winter when your car isn't always dry for a quick use. So that's why I like it. We're going to try it on the lower bumper piece of the car, so we will see how good you can see it, because it's very hard to film here. So as you can see, and yeah, we will do half of the bumper and then we will see how it will look in a week. So let's do it. So what I will do is I will use this Adams block that I cut in half, because it is much easier to work with it. And then of course the Tire Express with this handy little thingy on top of it. I don't know the word in English, so you need to work with that. And I just press it and then I will apply it. And you work it just in. Do you already see quite a big difference on the left and the right side? So it's not a very glossy finish, as you can see. It makes it just a little bit more black, but I will dry the car a bit more to the front so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so I hope it will be a bit better to see now in the light. So this is what it looks like. The car, it's very hard to see with this camera, but in real life you can see it looks a bit different. You can best see it on that line. It makes the plastic a bit more shiny, but not too shiny, so it's perfect. So what I will do is come back in a week and then I can show you guys the difference between now and 1 week, of course. And we will do also a water test with it in a week to see how it still protects the plastic and repels the dirt, and then we can see how good it is, and then I will show you the result. So I hope to see you guys in 1 week. Ciao. Hello everyone and welcome back after 1 week. So today we are taking a look on how it did on the car. I'm very curious about that, but you can see good difference. So what we are going to do is a water test to see how it still repels the water, and then we will see what the result is. Okay, I have my can of water here, so I'm just gonna dump it on the plastic trim piece, so you can immediately see it dwells off on the right and not on the left. So pretty big difference. So it repels still pretty good because it is not as powerful as a GYEON tire. It is just to do a quick maintenance on the trim, because you can see it goes off really easily on it, so that's good. You can see the difference pretty good between those two lines, and that's what the most important thing is. So what I like about it is that it is just so easy to use. Come on, little camera. Come on. Yes. So it's perfect like this. So my opinion on it is that it's pretty good for what it is, that it's pretty easy to use. So also after 1 week it is still on there, but yeah, keep in mind it is not that powerful. And also you can see a very good color difference between the two sides, and the one is still more black than the other. So for me it is a good product for a quick use, but the GYEON tire is still more powerful, so I still would prefer that over the GYEON Express. But when it is cold outside and the trim is not fully dry, I will always choose for the GYEON Tire Express. So that's my opinion on it. Leave your opinion in the comments down below and let me know what you think about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao!